ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ 7th శ్లోక. Let us learn the meaning, and while meditating upon the meaning and also visualizing that we are in the shoes of Arjuna, right in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and Krishna Paramatma directly giving his teachings to every one of us. With that kind of meditation we can chant the sloka. Duryodhana is saying to Dronacharya, "Oh Acharya, now let me explain you about our own army. In order to just bring some of our warriors' names into your notice, I am going to be listing out them. Please listen to me. Asmakantu Visishtaye Tannibodha Dvijottama Nayaka Mama Sainyasya Saujñārdham Tan Bravimite." Om. Moral from this sloka: do not do wrong thing. If you do that, how many ever people are there in supporting to you, you won't feel that is good enough for you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to do following things. Surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. I shall definitely liberate you from all kind of sins. Keep passing down this Bhagavad Gita to all your known people. If you do that, you will become my most beloved devotee. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma. "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not do wrong thing. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep passing down Srimad Bhagavad Gita to all my known people. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava." Srimad Bhagavatam. Let us do namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavata Grandham. "Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha." Let us do namaskaram to Sukha Maharshi. "Yam pravrajantamανupētamapētakrutyam dvaipāyano virahakātara ājuhāva putreти tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi." Let us do namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Bhagavan. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. Suta Maharshi is narrating Srimad Bhagavatam to all Savanaka and other rishis, saying that, O Maharshis, Srimannarayana's third form is Narada Maharshi. Srimannarayana established a Pancharatra Shastram through Narada Maharshi. That Shastram explains how to build the temples. That Shastram explains how to get Vigrahams sculpted. That Shastram explains what are the mantras to be used for inviting Paramatma's power into those Vigrahas. That Shastram explains what are the pujas supposed to be done to those Vigrahas. That Shastram establishes a fact that Paramatma himself comes down into those Vigrahas and receives offerings and pujas, devotion from all the devotees and blesses them to get rid of the cycle of birth and death. So, Vigraham and also the establishment of these temples is an accessible, very easy accessible source for all the human beings, which is given by Sakshat Paramatma through Narada Maharshi as a Pancharatra Shastram. The temples and its concept is not man-made concept. That is what Suta Maharshi explaining to all the Maharshis about Srimannarayana's third Rupam. Then saying that, O Maharshis, Sakshat Srimannarayana's fourth Rupam is Naranarayana Rupam. Nara is a Rishi. Narayana is a Rishi. Srimannarayana himself came down as Guru. Srimannarayana himself came down as Sishya. Naranarayana. Through that form, Paramatma gave Ashtakshari Mahamantram, Narayana Mahamantram to the entire universe. And also, O Maharshis, in the same form, Naranarayana form, Paramatma, even till today, is doing Narayana Japam in Badarikashramam. That means he is constantly, continuously producing the power of Narayana Mantram. So all that we have to do is just by saying Narayana, the whatever the power is produced by Sakshat Paramatma, that power will be connected to us. And such a huge benefit we will get only by doing Narayana Mantram. That is why it is said, Narayana Sabdamatram Vimukta Dukkha Sukhino Bhavanti. Just only by uttering Narayana, all the sufferings will be removed, all kind of troubles will be removed, all kind of shreyas, all kind of happiness will be bestowed. O Maharshis, this kind of esteem there is no to any other mantras. This is like if you have to bring light into your house, if you had to establish a power station and produce power and then bring light into the house, it is very hard process, it is very tough process, it is a very long process. But here, if on other hand, if there is already power is produced and running through a big grids, all that you have to do is just connect one small wire to that grid and you will draw the current power supply into your house, and then lamp will be light, and then you will get the light. That is easy process. That is how Narayana Mantra power is already started produced, and it is continuously producing, and always that power is available in the entire nature, in all the worlds, in the entire creation. All that you have to do is just as and how you connect a small wire to big grid, just say the namam, you are connected to that big grid and you will get such a huge benefit. Whereas all other mantras, it is like you have to establish a production station and produce and then get the benefit of it. That is how Narayana mantras esteem, Narayana mantras glory, Narayana mantras power is established. It is now disclosed by Suta Maharshi to Saunaka and other Maharshis, how this Narayana mantram is the essence of all the Shastras and how this mantram is introduced to the entire creation by Sakshat Sriman Narayana for the mankind. What is next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 7th sloka. Asmakantu Visishtaye Tannibodha Dvijottama Nayaka Mama Sainyasya Saujñārdham Tan Bravimite. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Shriman Narayana.